Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 live TV or IPTV services for 2024 and beyond. Now, I have a complete guide here on my website that lists only verified and legal live TV services that can be found in the Google Play Store, Amazon App Store, Roku Channel Store, and Apple App Store. So I will leave a link to this in the video description below, as I'm going to highlight some of these services in more detail in this video. So you have FAQs, details, and information about each service. I provide links as well. So just everything that you would need to know about live TV services in 2024 and helping you make the best purchasing decision. Now, before diving in too much further, if you are new to IPTV, this simply stands for Internet Protocol Television. You'll see I'm on the Wikipedia page for IPTV, and all this means, guys, is streaming live TV through the internet instead of the traditional satellite and cable television formats like you'd have with a cable box or plugging a cable jack into the wall. The traditional ways of getting live channels that are not only expensive, but becoming outdated. So in this guide, I explain all of that. And then also the other important thing I want to point out before diving into my top 5 services is that every service that I'm going to cover in this video is 100% legal and verified. Now, each service is available inside the Google Play Store. This includes YouTube TV, Sling TV, Pluto TV, Tubi, Plex, Hulu Live TV, Peacock TV, Samsung Plus, Fubo TV, and much more. I will not cover any service unless it has been vetted by a reputable app store such as Google Play. So because it's been vetted by Google Play, I do know that these services are 100% legal and verified for the content that they broadcast to users. So diving into my first service, guys, what I want to show you is Pluto TV. Now, Pluto TV is an amazing live TV service, and it's 100% free. You don't even need an account to go in here and start streaming things. And there are ads in the content. That's how they make money. But if you go to Pluto.tv and click the live TV tab up here, Pluto has hundreds of live channels in various categories. You'll see the left-hand side here. Featured, movies, holidays, seasons, greetings, comedy, classics, sci-fi, drama, entertainment, family, sports, and so much more. So just some amazing channels here. And this is highlighted by PFL, looks like Pluto Sports, PGA Tour, MLB, Fox Sports, CBS Sports HQ. So some very notable channels are available for free on Pluto TV, and you don't even need an account. They also provide hundreds of on-demand movies and TV shows as well. So Pluto TV is my favorite live TV or IPTV service going into 2024. Now, if you're looking for a premium option that has better content, then YouTube TV is another live TV service worth considering. So YouTube TV starts at about $73 per month, and it looks like here you can get your first $50.99 per month for your first 3 months. You can save $66 if you sign up right now on the YouTube TV website. So YouTube TV is offering a great intro deal for new subscribers. Here are some of the notable channels offered by YouTube TV. They offer over 100 live channels, including local channels, by entering your zip code here. But ABC, CBS, Fox News, Fox Sports 1, NFL Network, Nickelodeon, CNN, NBC, ESPN, Comedy Central, TNT, and so much more. You can see all the channels here, and I'll leave a link to everything that I mentioned in this video, guys, in the description below for more details. So YouTube TV, another great option here. No annual contracts, no hidden fees. You can get the NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. They are the exclusive provider of NFL Sunday Ticket. There are some VOD options, I believe, on YouTube TV. They are continually upgrading their content library. You see here are some other plans here for Spanish plan, base plan, Sunday Ticket, standalone plan, or bundled. And it is available across any reputable streaming device that you can think of. Fire Stick, smart TVs, Roku, Apple TVs, Google TVs, and more. So YouTube TV, guys, is another great IPTV service to consider in 2024 if you're looking for more premium live channels and content. Guys, the third live TV service I want to show you is Fubo TV. Now, this is another premium IPTV service, just like YouTube TV, as you'll see some of the channels here being offered. So some local channels, NBC Sports, CBS Sports Chicago, ABC, Bally Sports, FS1, NFL Network, Fox News, and you can view all the channels here. So the plans for Fubo TV starts at $55 per month, but they do have a 7-day free trial and are also offering $20 off the first month that you sign up. So there are no commitments. You can cancel anytime. And I do have a link for Fubo TV along with every other service below this video if you want to check it out. Fubo TV is available on all the reputable devices, Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, Android devices, Apple TVs, Roku, smart TVs, and even phones, which is really cool with some of these services. So that's the other one, guys, I wanted to show you is Fubo TV. Now, Fubo TV is great for sports content. They were originally created for sports content, so you can scroll through some of the offerings that they have here on Fubo TV. Here's just a gist of some of the networks that they provide. That's what their user interface looks like, but they are better known for sports and especially soccer content here. You'll see they offer the Premier League, Champions League, Major League Soccer, La Liga, and just various other sporting events and live games here. So Fubo TV, another great option. So moving back to the free side of things, guys, Xumo Play. Now, Xumo Play is available inside the Google Play Store, Amazon App Store, Roku Channel Store, and this application has come a long way over the past few years. They rebranded to Xumo Play. They were originally Xumo, but if you go to play.xumo.com, you'll see up here, there's a live guide. You can click Discover. They have free movies, free TV shows, hundreds of free movies and TV shows. And you can also click network. So if there's a specific network or category that you like, they break it down here pretty easily by networks and categories. So if I go back to the live guide here, I can scroll through and you can see some of the notable
Transform your life
on Xumo Play. So we have live now with Fox. So they have some local channels and just some news channels. They have, NBC Today, USA Today, Fox News, Fox Weather. They also have some sports here. So I like this category UI here. If I can click through the categories by toggling. So Fox Sports, World Poker Tour, professional golf. So PGA, NFL, darts, billiards, poker, and just so many other, options here that are 100% for free with Xumo Play. And guys, that's the other thing is I don't even have an account. It works just like Pluto TV, has similar content as Pluto TV, but there are ads inside the movies and TV shows when you play them, as that's how they make money. But Xumo is another great option for free live TV by just clicking this live TV guide here. So Xumo Play, another amazing option for live TV in 2024. Now, guys, the final service I want to point out in this video is Hulu Live TV. So Hulu Live TV is a very notable service as well. They're best known for this bundle here with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. You can get all three of these services for $89.99 a month, and it looks like you can get the one with ads for $77 per month. But Hulu, best known for its VOD offerings, of course, but their live TV service has come a long way as well. So you'll see it says goodbye to extra cable fees. So they offer all of these great options here. Here's some of the notable channels offered by Hulu Live TV. So we have ABC, ABC News, CBS, Fox, NBC, various sports networks here I'm seeing. PBS, entertainment channels, kids channels, and just so many great options offered by Hulu Live TV. So they are known for live sports. You'll see they have the NFL Network, Fox Sports 1, ESPN, CBS Sports, and much more. So Hulu Live TV, again, a subscription also comes with the movies, the Hulu originals, the TV series, the TV shows, and they have other plans here. You can get the standalone version of Hulu Live TV. You do not need the bundle with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Of course, that's what they're going to push you towards because it's more money. But you do not need that in order to use this. There are some premium add-ons here for Starz, Showtime, Cinemax, and Max. And this also is available on all the reputable platforms: Fire TV, Roku, Android, Apple, phones, tablets, gaming consoles, and so much more with Hulu Live TV. So that's it, guys. Those are just some of my favorite IPTV services for 2024 and beyond. You can find more of my favorites in this guide, which I will leave a link to the video description below. And just everything else with the details, channel offerings, and all the other important information that you guys are wondering about. Now, the very last thing I want to mention here is that if for some reason you aren't able to access certain, IPTV or live TV services, such as Fubo, Xumo Play, Pluto TV, Tubi, Peacock TV, or just any of these free options, you may need to be connected to a VPN as you may be located in a geo-restricted area. Now, these free live TV platforms oftentimes are not available in certain regions throughout the world for various content restrictions. So using a VPN and altering your geolocation will allow you to access some of these applications, guys. And my VPN of choice is Surfshark. You can get a plan here for under $2 a month, and this one's better for under $3 a month. And this is my #1 recommended VPN. I do have the best discount that you will find below this video, and that does help support myself and this channel for me to continue making these videos for you guys. So that's it. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. I appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and guys, please leave me a comment below. I really enjoy reading through all your comments, and it gives me ideas for future videos. So appreciate all of you who leave comments below the video. So guys, I hope you all have a great day.